boy. Guys, I pray I can get some footage for y'all because it's raining like crazy. Ah! Watch the birthday boy. Birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy big 6 dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Hi. Come.
To the bakery.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Say happy birthday, Tai Tai. I look like a ghost. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it. There we go. That's better. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I can't even see you guys properly. It's a brand new cloudy day here. It's Tyler's birthday. And Mama is ripping. You guys, Tyler has been looking forward to this day since forever. And it's finally here. Happy birthday, my boy. You're all of 6 years old. I can't believe that you're 6 years old today. The fam bam is out and ready. We're heading to Disneyland for 2 days. We celebrate Tyler's birthday for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So we're packing the car right now with our suitcase and we're heading to Disneyland, and then we come back here in a few days. So hopefully you guys are doing well and enjoying all of the vacation vlogs. You guys are in Paris if you're watching us for the first time, and it's just so happened that's while on vacation it's gonna always be Tyler's and Babe's birthday, so they get to celebrate vacation extra special.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Say happy birthday to you, son.
Happy birthday, Tyler. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 6th birthday. I'm really gonna enjoy it. Hope you're gonna have some good memories.
Hold on, let them see what's written on your shirt. Ooh, what's written on your shirt? Oh my God, I'm the papa of the birthday boy. Turn around, let me see the back. Hey, Tyler, show them what's on mine. Mama representing for the big boy. And on the back, girl, on the back. Alright, let's go find Sarah and Tyler. Let's find Sarah. Come here. Hi. Look at Sarah. Let's see what's on your shirt. Oh my God, I'm the sister of the birthday boy. Look how cute she is.
This is where I told you there was a rose.
Hello, birthday boy.
Hello, Mama.
Babes is here for your big day.
And I told you to watch all the videos of today.
Alright, stand up, let them see what's written on your shirt. It says, oh my God, it's my 6th birthday. And on the back says, birthday boy Tyler. Hey.
There's birthday boy Tyler.
Yes. And you guys, I ordered these shirts from a company in UK. I'll link her down below. It's a small business. I'll leave her down below and let you guys see the company that I ordered these shirts from. Anyway, I'm rushing to leave this house because we want to leave here by 8:30 and it's 4 minutes before that time. So enjoy today's vlog and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. We made it to your here. We are here, Disneyland.
Mama, you can't tell me if I like it because I didn't see the star.
Well, if you're in, that's all that matters. Go catch Papa, we zip it back inside. Go. We made it to Disneyland and it's raining, but we're here.
It's raining with masks and glasses. The glasses say it's sunny.
Don't press it tight. No, I want you to bite you, see? If she bite you, you're gonna cry. So what's that? We've entered the happiest place on earth. Charlie, you know that's what Disneyland is called? The happiest place on earth. Yeah.
Stop reading and it didn't stop reading.
There's almost none. Now we have to take a photo right here before we enter.
So you have the stick.
Bien sûr. First, let's do this. Turn Sarah around. Take off the mask from your chin. Just doing a questionnaire right now. This is when you enter what you see. We have a lot of shops in here, and I can't wait to buy my Mickey ears, of course. I'm so looking forward to buying that. Guys, I pray I can get some footage for y'all because it's raining like crazy. Ah! Ah, Tyler, who is that? Krella. Right now, let's see what we'll find in here. The evil queen! Look! Wow!
C'est pas une bonne reine, c'est une méchante reine.
Babe! Babe! It's not this one I was talking about. It's not this one I was talking about. The one I was talking about is in water.
Yeah, see which one you're talking about. We will go after.
Your birthday badge. The girl said it's up there. Hey, princess. Hold it, Sammy.
We'll see. She looks so big.
She looks so grown. Wait.
Sarah.
Standing in this Disneyland is a task, but we're managing. Not easy. And I bring the carrier for Sarah because we can't have the stroller in the line, and I left it at the car. But tomorrow I'll learn. Tomorrow will be a better day. The birthday boy is tired, but he's jamming it in the line. Sarah, look. Hi. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Hi.
Hi.
Go. Go.
At the moment when you say, oh,
Give me. This is the only good thing about having both of them in the line. They act a fool together. Look at them. Sarah can give Sarah a break, and Sarah love it.
Je m'appelle Monsieur Scooby-Doo. Alors, qu'est-ce que vous voulez, madame? Vous voulez une carte d'été? Faites une carte d'été.
So we're about to go on this one right now. I think this is the Dumbo ride. So we are going on this one. Tyler, you ready, Ty? Ready? Look. Look at Mama. Ty. Tyler. You ready? Sarah will be definitely enjoying this one. Look at her. She's so ready. Get in.
Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Dumbo The Flying Elephant.
Yeah!
Veuillez rester. Pour faire décoller Dumbo, tirez les leviers de commande qui se trouvent devant vous. Merci et nous vous souhaitons un agréable vol.
Wow! Ready?
Hello everyone and welcome aboard Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Please remain seated at all.
Whoa! Sarah! Sarah, we're flying! I'm coming up! Ah! I can't see you! Wow! Woo!
Veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet de Dumbo.
Hey!
Veuillez descendre et vous diriger vers la sortie la plus proche.
Woo!
Please remain seated until step out and proceed.
Alright you guys, so we are at Tyler, at Sarah's favorite, Mickey and Minnie.
Not me.
Minnie is inside. You have to go take a picture with Minnie if you want to see Minnie. So we take a break from the activities and having some lunch, and it's raining. The rain stopped and then it came right back down, but we're having such a good time. We just went and see Mickey. Sarah wanted to go on stage with Mickey, but that couldn't happen. She started crying so much. She wanted to touch him, but that wasn't possible. Baby's in line right now waiting to get us lunch. So we're gonna have lunch and then head back out. Hopefully the rain will stop and don't come back, because it's been raining ever since we got here, on and off, on and off. We wet, we dry, we wet, we dry. But yeah, Sarah is here taking a nap. Nap face. And the birthday boy. Hi birthday boy. How is your birthday going so far?
Nice.
Nice. You having fun? Yes? Good. Ready to eat? Alright. Here goes the food. Yes. Papa of the birthday boy. Birthday boy, birthday boy. Birthday boy, hey, hey. And Princess is sleeping, is here? Sleeping. Mama of the birthday boy. Can I eat up? Alright.
So Tyler, you look so excited. Why are you excited?
Because we're going to Star Tour.
We're in Star Tour?
Yes.
Oh, so you're excited? What you want to do in Star Tour? Look at me. Big boy. So you're alone? You're alone with Papa?
Yes.
Why are you alone with Papa?
Because Sarah is sleeping.
Oh, Sarah is sleeping, so you take that time to do big boy activities?
Yes.
Look at me. So guys, we are in... Well, we are in Discoveryland. We are in Discoveryland, just you and I. And we're gonna do the big boy adventure. You're not gonna cry, right?
No.
You're excited? So Tyler said that, what's the name of this plane? You say the X-Wing. Ok. Ok, ça c'est le vaisseau de Luke Skywalker. Ok. C'est le X-Wing qui s'appelle?
Oui, et le vaisseau de l'Empereur, c'est le Y-Wing.
Okay. Here's a little X-Wing with the Space Mountain beside. And here is Star Trader. Star Trader, c'est la boutique. C'est le magasin. You want to go in the shop after?
To buy Star
It's a
Wars
mess.
lightsaber.
It's a must to go in the shop, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's go. It looks like we're going in a spaceship. Okay. Wow, let's see. So here is the name of, we're inside the spaceship, is the name of the planet and the departure. So where are we going, Tyler? We're going Tatooine. You want to go Tatooine? Tatooine is on time. We can go on Tatooine. Okay? So here we are. Star Tour. Tyler is all over the moon. Look. Le R2 est là-bas, je vois C6PO. Regarde. C'est R2D2. C'est R2. Oh, I know this voice. You know him? Look. Okay. So, passenger. Okay. We are here in the line. It looks like you're in a spaceship. So we're all walking to the wall. We see all of the spaceship, all of the toys, and all of these things. So Tyler is exciting, telling me everything. So let's listen to him. Here's the gate. Look at me. Happy? Excited?
Restez assis pendant toute la durée du vol et conservez.
Bonjour.
Joyeux anniversaire!
Allez, enlève ton sac. Tu dis merci?
Tu vas dire bonjour à Choubi, te mets sur le...
Allez, vas-y.
C'est ça qu'on va l'appeler. Cercle de l'espace.
Smile. Fais comme lui, fais comme ça. Regarde-le, fais comme lui. Fais comme lui, regarde, il a changé. So Tyler's trying to do like the character. Look at him, Tyler. Say thank you. Allez, come. Allez, go, Tyler. Look at them. Look at them. Do something different. Look, they're going away. You okay? Tyler, I don't see you.
Hi. Hello. Sarah, look.
Hello.
Tell us it.
Peut-être because they don't see me.
That's Papa.
Hello.
Hello. Peekaboo.
You want it?
Yeah. We go in on a train ride. Ready for a train ride? Yeah? Let's go. Oh, Sarah, look. Whoa, Sarah. Whoa.
spots. Remember to weather up all your belongings and step out carefully to your right.
Yay! I will leave it right here for today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this first part of Tyler's birthday. I have so much footage from Tyler's birthday that you guys, we just have to share them. And it's also amazing memories to freeze, so when they grow up they can watch back and see all this fun that they had. So hopefully you guys enjoy this part, and return tomorrow for yet a whole new vlog of Tyler's birthday. And the next few days we will be just killing you guys with Disneyland fun. We've been there for 2 days and it has been absolutely amazing. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fandom. Catch up and keep up, and I know I'll see you guys tomorrow.